Hey everybody out there on YouTube, what's up? I'm here with another unboxing video, another product from Amazon.ca. These are the X11 true wireless stereo headphones, earbuds. They are listed as the ORIT, wireless earbuds, Bluetooth 5.0, true wireless earbuds, touch control waterproof IPX5 TWS in-ear Bluetooth headphone, built-in mic, CVC 8.0 stereo headsets for sport gym workout, LED display, 126-hour playtime, 3000 mAh charging case. So again, an insanely long-winded description. 130 reviews, very highly ranked. Not Amazon's choice, I just noticed. I think once again I got burned here, so I think I paid $45.99 regular. It's on sale right now for $39.09 Canadian. Shipped free to my door here in Canada with Amazon Prime, of course. And let's go over what is in the package. So it comes in this nice little box. I was looking for an option for some truly wireless Bluetooth headphones. I actually have moldable custom made earplugs, and if they fit into those, that would be great to use at work. If not, and they even worked well at all, I'd still use them at home or for working out or something like that. So in the box you have your, again, some moldable foam. Everybody likes to use this cutout foam, and I love that. So we'll set that aside for a moment, and we'll leave what I believe is all the electronics right there, perching precariously on that. So let's see, does this even come out? It does. Really nice fit. The old 1 thou tolerance, tiny little box inside. That's nice. Nice titch. Inside there are several different earplugs or ear socket things that, different sizes to get it to fit and stay in your ear holes. There's those. There's your little USB charging cable. That's interesting. I haven't seen this end before. This is a USB, obviously, and this isn't a micro USB. I don't know if this is a Type C or whatever the whole rest of the world is using, but anyways, that's the charging cord there. Some very basic operating instructions, but it's all you really need. And this, the True Wireless Stereo Earphones Manual, in English and Chinese and German and French and Italian and Spanish. So again, another product that they're directing at the entire world, so that's nice. If you fall under any of those categories for speech, you will have no problem. Interestingly, I can see numbers through the case, so let's open the case up. And that's cool. It's a very nice little case. So you close it, and my guess is it initiates charging. You open it, and you've got your little headphones in there. Man, they are tiny, which is awesome. I'm going to try to get one out of here. Oh, wow. Try to put it in your ear like this. No, don't do that. So you flip those down, and then these go into your ears. There's your little charging connectors, your leads, but overall they're quite small. So I mean, for a size comparison, we can use this digital air pressure gauge for your tires. So it's very small, even smaller than the end that you would grab the tire stem from. So yeah, little guys, and they slip right back in here like that, and then you close it up. The case feels nice. It's got a nice weight to it because of the rechargeable battery that's inside it, and I like this little flip up and flip down thing. It's nice. So good design, feels nice. As soon as I use it and I'm able to give you guys some pros and cons on it, I will do another video with that right away, so that you guys can decide whether or not you should buy it for $39 Canadian. So, I mean, very affordable choice. Some of the things it says on the front here: touch control, charging case, iPad, iPhone, iPod compatible, and optional ear cap sizes. Ear caps, that's what they're calling them. And I got these in the black. They also come in a gray and a white. So yeah, like I was saying, I'll let you guys know as soon as I get a chance what these are like and if they're worth your money. Thank you so much for watching the video, guys. I hope this helped in any way at all. I hope to get better and better with these videos as time goes on. So obviously, if you liked the video, like down below. If you didn't like it, like down below, and subscribe to the channel if you like this type of content. Turn on your notifications so that you, like everybody else in the world, will get this video right away as soon as a new one comes out. Thank you so much for your time, guys. Be good to everybody out there. Be good to yourselves, and I wish you the greatest of health. Take care.